everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. Today we are covering pointers in C with quick MCQs to boost your skills. Test your knowledge, pause the video if you need more time, and see how many you get right. Let's get started. What is a pointer in C? Options are a function, a data type, a variable that stores address of another variable, and a reference. Option C is correct. A pointer holds the memory address of another variable. Which symbol is used to declare a pointer? Options are hash, asterisk, ampersand, percent. Option B is correct. The asterisk is used to declare a pointer. What does the ampersand operator do in C? Options are multiplies two numbers, declares a pointer, gives the address of a variable, and ends a program. Option C is correct. Ampersand returns the memory address of a variable. What does the asterisk operator do in pointers? Options are multiplies numbers, allocates memory, access value at address, and return size. Option C is correct. A dereferenced operator gives the value at the address. How to declare a pointer to an integer? Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax for declaring an integer pointer. What is the output of the following? Options are 10, address of A, error, and 0. Option A is correct. Pointer P gives the value at address which is 10. What does this code do? Options are prints 0, prints address, undefined behavior, and error. Option C is correct. Uninitialized pointer access leads to undefined behavior. What is a null pointer? Options are pointer pointing to address 0, pointer not initialized, pointer to void, and pointer to garbage. Option A is correct. Null pointer points to nothing. How to assign a null pointer? Options are given below. Option D is correct. Both null and 0x0 represent null pointers. What will size of pointer return? Options are size of data, size of pointer, 1 byte, varies with data type. Option B is correct. Pointer size depends on system architecture. What is pointer arithmetic? Options are arithmetic on data, arithmetic using addresses, arithmetic using values, and none. Option B is correct. Pointer arithmetic involves manipulating memory address. What does P++ do if P is a pointer? Options are increments address by 1 byte, increments address by size of type, adds value by 1, and causes error. Option B is correct. It increments the address by size of the data type. What is a wild pointer? Options are pointer to integer, pointer to null, pointer not initialized, and pointer to pointer. Option C is correct. Wild pointers are uninitialized and dangerous. Which of the following is a valid pointer declarations? Options are given below. Option D is correct. Both A and B are valid. But in C, int pointer P, Q makes only P a pointer. What is the output of the following code? Options are 5, error, address of A, and 0. Option C is correct. %P prints pointer address. What is the output of the following code? Options are 6, 5, address of A, and error. Option A is correct. Pointer P gives the value 5 and adding 1 gives the output 6. What is pointer to a pointer? Options are given below. Option B is correct. Int double pointer P stores the address of a pointer to int. How to declare a function that takes a pointer as argument. Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax for a function with in pointer parameter. Can we use pointers with arrays? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Arrays and pointers are closely related in C. Which is the correct syntax to access array elements using pointers? Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax to access an array element using a pointer. What will be the output of the following code? Options are 1, 2, 3 and error. Option C is correct. It accesses third element using pointer arithmetic. Which operator is used to access the value a pointer is pointing to? Options are ampersand, asterisk, arrow operator and modulo. Option B is correct. Asterisk is used to dereference a pointer. What is the correct output of the following code? Options are 0, crash or segmentation fault, error and print null. Option D is correct. Dereferencing null causes a crash. Which function dynamically allocates memory in C? Options are malloc, calloc, realloc, all of the above. Option D is correct. All three are memory allocation functions. Which header file is required for a dynamic memory allocation? Options are stdio.h, string.h, stdlib.h and malloc.h. Option C is correct. stdlib.h contains memory functions like malloc. Which of these statements is used to free allocated memory? Options are delete, dispose, free and remove. Option C is correct. Free function deallocates memory. What is a dangling pointer? Options are a null pointer, a pointer pointing to freed memory, an uninitialized pointer, a pointer to pointer. Option D is correct. It points to memory that is already freed. What is void pointer? Options are pointer with no memory, pointers to any data type, pointer to pointer, and not allowed in C. Option D is correct. Void pointer can point to any data type. Can we perform arithmetic on void pointer in C? Options are yes and no. Option B is correct. Pointer arithmetic is not allowed on void pointers. What is printed? Options are 10, 20, address and error. Option D is correct. It modifies value via pointer. A becomes 20. How many did you get right? Comment below your scores and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover MCQs on string and preprocessor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.